Hey everyone, Not Too Dead here. Seems as though I got myself in a predicament. Well, we're going to see if we can't get out of this. All chained up. We're going to use the weapons of choice today is going to be some tools from this Multipick set, 27-piece Christina Palmer set. That they were very nice to send out to me. So we're going to go ahead and use this rake here. Beautiful pick. 6mm. And the turning tool. And we're going to see if we can't get out of this, I guess. I mean, if not, we're going to be here all night, so better get at it. Let's see if we can't get the angle right here. It's a little awkward here. A little awkward, so bear with me, guys. And gals. Try not to shake the camera too much here. Haha! Alright, we're past the first step here. That worked really well, actually. That multi-pick. Aha! We're free! Oh, partway free. Well, there it is. 570 and handcuffs. Well, handcuffs was different, but the 570 no match for Multipick. I'll put a link below to the set. Check them out. If you like the content, feel free to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Till the next one, guys. Take it easy.